a brand new tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to teach you my brand new dolphin design. I hashed this one out the other day. I'm really happy with it. So I hope you guys like it too. This is officially my favorite new dolphin design. It's been a while since we've done a dolphin on this channel. And they're one of my favorite animals, so it's only fitting, right? So for this design, you're going to need just 3 balloons. One white 260, you can just inflate that about halfway. And then you can get 2 blue, teal, turquoise, gray, whatever color you want to use for your dolphin. Pink, purple, all colored dolphins are awesome. And I've inflated both of these, and I've left one is a little bit longer than the other, but if you leave about a 4 to 5 inch tail on these, this should be fine. Don't have to be too precise on that. I'm going to take the shorter one here that has the longer tail, and I'm going to tie it with the nozzles to the white 260. So a really nice, good, tight tie means that your knots are way out here, okay? So we're really getting those balloons tight together when we do this double knot here. And if you want to clean things up, you can cut off this little extra nozzly bit here just to keep all that extra latex out of your twist. All right, so we're going to start off with our blue dolphin color balloon, and we're going to start off with the bottlenose. And so I'm going to do 2 bubbles, one slightly larger than the other, but not a whole lot, just like a hair. Okay, like that, and then twist those 2 together. Okay, and now we're going to do a 3 bubble body for his head. So you want 2 bubbles that are about the same size, as close as you can get it to the same size. So there's 1, 2, twist those together. And then we're going to do our 3rd bubble is going to be slightly larger, just a hair bigger. Okay, so like that. And we're going to roll that through our 2 bubbles that we just made right on through there. Okay? Now at this point, you want to hold on to this in your armpit or something. Grab your last balloon, and we're going to do his fins and flippers, just the fins, with this guy. Maybe the flippers too, we'll see. All right, so his pectoral fins are going to be small little loops. So there's 1, and then another one. Try and get those about the same size or as close as possible. We're just going to put a small little round spacer bubble after those 2 loops, okay? And this twist right here that we just made is going to twist in to the last twist we made on this balloon, okay? So I'm just going to take these 2, see my little spacer bubble in there, I'm just going to wrap them around. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go up into the dorsal fin, and we're also going to be going down the back of the body at the same time. So I'm going to be doing about a 2 to 3 inch bubble on one of my balloons, and the other balloon is going to be the dorsal fin. So you want it to be a nice big, just make like a big U shape or something right now, and then we're going to fold it into the shape of the dorsal fin later. That's going to connect into the twist we just made right here. Okay, I'm going to line up everything so you can kind of see where we're at so far. All right, so we've got his little pectoral flippers right there and dorsal fin here, and we're working down towards the tail. Okay, so we've got 2 blue balloons here. One is going to go back up to kind of bulk up the midsection of his body, and the other one is going to become the tail. So look at how much balloon you have left on each and decide which would be better for each different thing. I'm going to take the longer balloon that I have here, and this one is going to go back up to the same spot where we twisted in the dorsal fin. Okay, we're going to twist this guy in there now. Okay, so now we should have something like this craziness. I know it's a little hard to keep track of right now. Once you bring your balloon back up on into the dorsal fin here, so you should have 2 bubbles here and your dorsal fin, and then the head should be 3 bubbles, and then the nose should be 2 bubbles. Okay. Once you're done with that part, you can get rid of the rest of this balloon that's kind of sticking out in the middle of the body. And now we're going to come down and finish off this part of our balloon, which is going to be the tail. So it's going to be 1 2-inch bubble, Actually, you can make that a little bit longer, so maybe 3 inches or so. And then I'm gonna do 2 loops for his little back flippers. And then I like to kind of stabilize those tail fluke,
what are they called?
loops. So I'm gonna also do 2 pinch twists here just so that I can make those loops kind of lay flat how I want to, like a dolphin's tail is flat. So I'm gonna put 1 little pinch twist on one side in between those 2 loops. And then if you've got enough balloon left, you can bring the rest down and do 1 little pinch twist on the other side here. And then you can get rid of the rest of this. And then you'll see how that will allow us to just give that perfect shape to the dolphin's tail. Okay, so let's line everything up now so you can see where we're at. We've got the bottlenose, 2 loops. We've got 3 bubbles for the head. We've got 2 bubbles here on the body, dorsal fin. There's a spacer bubble underneath. Spacer bubble with his 2 pectoral flippers, okay? Bubble into the tail. Now we've got this white balloon that's in our way sticking out up here. We're gonna use the white balloon to finish off this design. We're gonna take it first, we're going to do the eyes, okay? So when you're looking at this head section, you wanna try to figure out which one of those 3 bubbles is a little bit bigger than the other ones and put the bigger bubble on top, okay? So I'm gonna rotate this so I have that bigger bubble is kind of the one that's on top. I'm gonna take my white balloon and we're going to stretch it, squish it, and pinch off 1 eye bubble. Okay, it's just gonna come back over this head section. I'm gonna twist that around 1 time. Okay, and now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side of that larger bubble that's on top. So squish, pull, squeeze your white balloon so you don't have giant eyes, and wrap it around that bottlenose. All right, he's upside down right now. Okay, so now at this point you wanna make sure you get everything lined up. So it should be looking like this. The head has 2 blue on the bottom, 1 blue on the top. The bottlenose, the slightly larger bubble is gonna be on top, the smaller one on the bottom. You've got your 2 pectoral flippers situated right underneath the body with the dorsal fin on top, and we've got our tail all taken care of here. So we're gonna take this white balloon and it's gonna sandwich those pectoral flippers here. It's gonna come all the way back into this point where we hit the tail. Okay, so it's gonna pull it nice and tight, sandwich these flippers in there, and twist once you get to that tail point. Look how cute. All right, once you're done with that, we're finished with the white balloon and you can get rid of the rest. Here we have with everything lined up and situated the way it should be. All we have left to do now is to shape this dorsal fin. So we want it to be triangular, but also sort of leaning back towards the tail. So I'm gonna kind of squeeze the top of it, fold it over, squeeze it some more, try to give it that aerodynamic looking form. Just a little bit, it doesn't have to be like, but it just kind of gives that subliminal idea that this is shaped like the dorsal fin of a dolphin. Look how cute, I love it. All right, now you could put black balloons for the eyes, or you could just draw them on and be done. So here he is with some little 160 pinch twist for the black part of the eyes. I like this design, especially if you're, sometimes these 2 bubbles for the nose might be kind of wanting to squeeze over one side over the other. And so putting some black pupils here can kind of help straighten that out. And here he is with some drawn on eyes. So you can decide for yourself which one you like better and which goes faster for you. For some people, drawing the eyes on is gonna be more comfortable and go faster for them. And for other people, just pulling out a 160, making 2 little pinch twists, is gonna be more comfortable and faster for those people. So figure out what you like best and what works best for you and whatever job sort of situation you're in. All right, make sure on the tail that the 2 loops are this direction and not this direction, because then he becomes more like a shark. This is dolphin tail, this is shark tail, all right? So that is it for my brand new dolphin design. I cannot wait to see your comments and hear what you guys think about this design. Let me know if you plan on using it for your summer events this year. We do have clip art available for this already in the Twister Sisters Studios shop. So you can head on over there, get yourself some clip art for your brand new summer menus, get yourself a brand new outfit to wear to your menus, all in one place over at the Twister Sisters Studios store. And I cannot wait to see you guys next week with another free balloon animal tutorial. If you're looking for more business advice or more advanced things and one-on-one sort of time with me, check out the Twister Hood. It's my membership program that's open to balloon artists who are really serious about making their balloon hobby their business and being able to live off of our love of balloons. So we have a great time over there. Check it out. The link is down in the description below, and I'll see you guys again next week. Bye, everyone.